AfricanLion 2023, under the patronage of His Majesty King Mohammed VI. Mobility Artillery Rocket System. Weapons system is a high-mobility artillery rocket system used by the armed forces of the United States and Morocco. It is designed to provide precise and effective fire support to ground forces. The HIMARS is mounted on a mobile frame, which gives it great mobility on the battlefield. It can be transported by plane, helicopter, truck or ship, allowing it to be quickly deployed and support troops on different front lines. The HIMARS system uses guided missiles, including the M1A2 missile, to engage long-range ground targets. It can also fire rockets of various types, including cluster rockets, anti-tank rockets, and cluster rockets. This ammunition is stored in ready-to-use containers, which facilitates the rapid reloading of the system. The HIMARS system is equipped with an accurate navigation and guidance system, allowing it to hit targets with high precision. It can be integrated into a larger command and control network, allowing it to receive real-time data on potential targets and share information with other units. In addition to its ability to engage ground targets, the HIMARS can also be used for support missions, such as counter-battery operations to neutralize enemy artillery batteries, or enemy air defense suppression missions. In summary, the HIMARS weapons system is a high-mobility artillery system used by armed forces to provide accurate and effective fire support. Its high mobility, its ability to fire different types of ammunition and its precision make it a valuable asset on the battlefield. Morocco is taking a giant leap forward in terms of technological armament with the acquisition of SpyX drones from the Israeli Bluebird Arrow systems. The Moroccan Royal Armed Forces are among the first buyers of this suicide drone. Morocco first buyer of Israeli kamikaze drone SpyX. Morocco first buyer of Israeli kamikaze drone SpyX. Fruit of the relations between Morocco and Israel, the kingdom acquires Israeli SpyX kamikaze drones, a reinforcement of the artillery and infantry of the FAR. Morocco is taking a giant leap forward in terms of technological armament with the acquisition of SpyX drones from the Israeli Bluebird Arrow systems. The Moroccan Royal Armed Forces are among the first buyers of this suicide drone. Exhibited at the International Aeronautics and Space Show in Le Bourget, SIAE, the SpyX drone showed its specificities. It has an operational range of up to 50 kilometers, and can fly in total autonomy for up to an hour and a half without having to be recharged. The machine has a length of 2 meters and a width of 1.4 meters and can carry a warhead of 2.5 kilograms, while flying at a speed that can reach 150 kilometers/hour or even 250 kilometers/hour when attacking. The stated objectives for the new machine are to strengthen the FAR's artillery and infantry arsenal, to enable the military forces to expand their tactical capabilities, the specialized forum FAR Morocco said on its Facebook page. A hub in the evolution of unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, systems, featuring an advanced video plotter as well as a dual sensor mounted on the bottom of the device, options that make SpyX a game-changer in the industry military. The M1A2 tank is an advanced version of the American M1 Abrams main battle tank. It is widely used by the armed forces of the United States as well as several other countries around the world. The M1A2 is equipped with a powerful gas turbine engine, which gives it great mobility in various terrains. It has advanced armor that provides high protection against enemy threats, including kinetic projectiles and shaped charge ammunition. The M1A2 tank is armed with a 120mm caliber main gun, capable of firing different types of ammunition, including anti-tank shells and high-explosive shells. It also has mounted machine guns, providing close defense against light targets and aerial threats. Thanks to sophisticated electronic systems, the M1A2 benefits from improved surveillance, aiming and communication capabilities. It is equipped with a thermal and day sighting system, proximity sensors, and an advanced combat management system, enabling better decision-making on the battlefield. The M1A2 is also capable of conducting night operations with night vision systems and infrared illumination capabilities. It can also be equipped with active protection systems, such as electronic countermeasures and missile defense systems. In summary, the M1A2 tank is a powerful main battle tank used by several armies around the world. Its mobility, advanced armor, powerful weaponry, and electronic capabilities make it a key element on the battlefield. The Black Hornet drone is a small reconnaissance drone used by military forces and security forces around the world. It is often considered a nano-type drone. The Black Hornet is remarkably small and lightweight, allowing it to be easily transported and deployed by soldiers in the field. It is designed to provide covert surveillance and reconnaissance in urban or tactical environments. This drone is equipped with video cameras and cameras that can capture images and videos in real time. It can be used to observe areas from a distance, obtain information on enemy troop movements, carry out preliminary reconnaissance, etc. The Black Hornet is controlled by an operator using a handheld remote. It can fly for a few minutes at a relatively short distance, usually up to about a kilometer. It is very quiet and difficult to detect, making it valuable for covert reconnaissance missions. Due to its small size, the Black Hornet is often used for close surveillance operations, where it can penetrate tight, hard-to-reach areas, or for search and rescue missions, where it can help locate missing persons in inaccessible areas. In summary, the Black Hornet drone is a small reconnaissance drone used for covert surveillance and reconnaissance in various military and security settings. Its small size, lightweight, and ability to provide real-time information make it a valuable tool for field operations.